to
Okay, hello friends.
hi.
How are
Hello,
you?
sir. We
Amit,
are
hello
good.
Amit, hello
Sorry,
Ellen.
sir. How are you, sir?
How was the last week? Good?
Good.
Good. Okay, now welcome back to another session of our Incredible You coaching. So where I will take you. Now we have already learned about the speech activity previously. There also be some of the core words cropped up or popped up from the speeches of our friends. So it's a question of going further deep into those things where we will know about our baselines. Baselines are our foundations. So our core foundations. So I'll take you through the manual also in page 11 saying about baselines. So you can discover your inner DNA. Baselines develop without you realizing over the years. So they develop unconsciously over a period of time by uh, observing our environment or by seeing our family or friends, TV, radio, etc. So over a period of time, they become our core lines. Now, they will not be changed. They remain with us throughout our life unless a drastically dramatic event happens. Events like death of near ones, tragic death, or separation, or the things like that. Otherwise, they remain with us. So, what is the importance of baseline? The importance is normally thoughts impact our actions. Actions impact our decisions. Sorry, thoughts impact our decisions. Decisions impact our actions, and actions bring our results. Now, here, if we filter the process, same process through baselines, we can say in that as per our page number 18 of the manual, you can see thoughts filtered through baselines and feelings and taking through actions taken through those feelings will give us the best results.
Okay.
So this is the only reason sometimes we find the people with less passion, so with less talent, they also achieve success in their life in spite of their low level of passion or low level of other things. They succeed because these baselines happen to meet their actions or feelings or thoughts.
Okay.
So such is the importance of these baselines. So when you take the decisions based on the baselines, they are bound to give you the good results or the success you aspire, you will get the success. So if you don't consider these baselines, so we are not bound to succeed. It may take to the other level. So this is the secret of success through baselines. Now we have the activity here that is called baseline activity. So that we can see, I'll take you through the manual page number 17 where it is clearly given. So your client, I mean, you will go through a set of baselines and select the ones that you relate to the most.
Okay.
So you will go on shortlisting the ones that are closest to your heart, and you will end up with 6 core baselines. So out of 300 or more than that, you can keep shortlisting, bring it to 24, and from there onwards to 6. So there should be an order for even after coming to 6 also, we should keep giving the order. First one, second one, third one. Whichever remains the last, that becomes your first baseline. So like that, you select 6 baselines, and there are some, these are the steps involved. No? I will broadcast the tool So you go through the software and keep selecting the baselines which relate to you the most. Okay, come
Right.
down to 6.
Right.
Any questions on this?
No, it is clear.
No, that.
It is clear.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Then I'll give you 1 hour time and take your own time and think clearly, no hurry, and select your best. Okay. Right.
Okay.
So even if more than 6 appeal also, we have to minimize with 6 for getting clarity. Otherwise, more means you get confusion.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So limit yourself to 6
Thank
and I
you.
will come back after 1 hour.
Right. Right.
Right. So thank you.
Start.
Hi. Hello, friends.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
So, okay. Have you done that homework?
Yes.
Yes, yes, we have done.
So how do you feel doing that one? Did you
Yes.
find it easy or difficult?
Really, it was a homework. It was a homework.
Okay. Okay. So how did you come? How did you
Basically,
bring down to 6?
that was a tough task
Yeah.
because all the baselines were so close to the personality. Selecting top 6 is quite difficult. But
Okay.
among it, see, finally I ended up with 10. But as you said 6, so finally I have done 6.
Yeah. 6. Yeah. Yeah. We have to
But
minimize
actually
also
I
to
have
6.
got 10.
So you keep those 4 aside. As and when you can also use them. It's not that you should not use them. Sometimes they may be matching to each other, very close to each other. So that issue also there. So now, Ellen,
Yeah.
can I ask you your 6 baselines?
Yeah. I mean, like initially I selected 214 out of those 300 plus baselines.
My God. Okay, all are positive, right? All are
Yeah,
positive.
yeah. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
okay.
but bringing them to 24 was a Herculean task for me. But still, I could
Oh.
pick out 24. But
Yeah.
from that, making out the 6 was the mind-boggling for me because when like I had selected 12 actually. I had selected 12.
Okay.
But
Mhm.
since you said that I have to make it 6, and even the software was not allowing me to take more than 6, so
Yes.
I had restricted it to 6. But
Okay.
I have, so though I have restricted to 6, I have written 12 baselines for myself.
Okay. Okay. Keep them in store. Don't worry. Then can you name your 6
Yeah.
in order? In order. In
My
order.
first baseline is making a difference.
Making a difference.
Yeah.
Really good. Okay.
I have
Okay.
been doing
What
this.
what
I have been doing
what,
beginning.
what does it mean to make a difference to you?
Like in the office, I do things in a different manner. Like suppose if we are basically into implementing the government rules. So
Okay.
when I read the government rules which are not helpful to the employee, so I think in a
Okay.
different manner, saying that what the rule is not saying and how can I help the employee. Right. So
Okay. Okay.
that's
Good.
how I
Good.
used to think, and I used to do so this thing right from the beginning, but I did not know that it could be a baseline for me actually. So that
Yeah. Now you have
it,
wonderful. Now you have discovered that one.
yeah,
Yeah.
it is the
Good.
first baseline for me, and the second one
Good.
is
Good.
my family.
Breakthrough for you.
Yeah,
Okay.
the second
Okay.
one is my family, where
Mhm.
I do so many things for my family. So that's why second family has been my second baseline, and the third one is duty.
Okay.
Duty. I mean, I give preference to the duty,
Great.
like
Great.
whenever
Hmm.
whenever required. So it is the priority for me always. So
Now, what kind
sometimes,
of no? What kind of duty is it in your perception?
like anything, like if I have to help somebody, so I just go for it. Even
Okay.
if it is at the cost of my comfort also, I just think that it is my duty to help people. Right. So
Yeah. Yeah. That means for you, duty means doing service to the people around,
not necessarily,
right?
not necessarily. Even if you take my job, even if you take my job,
Okay.
it is a duty for me.
Okay.
My job
Okay.
is a duty
Right.
for me. So that's how duty is third baseline.
Career. No, okay. That is a career. Okay. I agree with you. Right.
No,
Okay.
I can't say it is career or anything, but I mean, whatever activity I need to do as a part, as a duty of for myself, I think that I have to give preference for that. So that's how
Yeah.
I think that duty is for me like that.
Okay.
Like
Okay. Agree.
sometimes it can be
Next.
a help for somebody. Sometimes
Okay.
sharing my vehicle with somebody. Uh, I
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
it as a
You're sharing, caring,
yeah,
helping.
all this
Very
thing.
good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So then next one is discipline.
Okay.
I,
I
I
like it. I like that. I like that.
I,
Yeah.
I get frustrated if people are not disciplined.
Okay. Okay. You
So
mean you should be
Earlier
you should maintain discipline.
yeah,
You want everyone to maintain discipline.
yes.
Good. Good. Secret of success.
Yes.
Good.
And the fifth one is my intuition.
Intuition.
I
Yeah.
think
Okay.
that my intuition power works a lot in many areas.
Okay. Okay.
So
Like, can you tell me one example?
example is like uh, when uh, when I was in working in railway board,
Okay.
we used to deal with the problems of SC and ST employees of railways.
Okay.
So in one situation, what happened was if a disabled person has written a letter to us, and
Okay.
I thought that this fellow is genuine, and whatever he is
Okay.
writing is genuine, and he deserves help from me, and he needs to get his right. So that's how
Okay. Okay.
I digged into the case, and
Okay.
finally what happened was he got the job.
Oh, congratulations. You helped somebody who deserved the help. Right. Right. That to a
That
handicapped person.
that was solely on my intuition that I have taken up. Otherwise, we didn't have that much of time to deal with individual representations because we were flooded with the forwarding letters of cabinet ministers, MLAs, and state ministers, and so on. So we did not have time to deal with those things only. So dealing an individual representation was out of sight at all. So, but
So, so you believe in your heart, not on head. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Good. Good.
Intuition works actually. And
Yeah. Okay.
the sixth one is leadership. I take charge of
Okay.
anything that is there. So I do. I find myself to be in a leadership position. So that's how
Okay.
I find that leadership to be one of my baselines.
Yeah. I think you selected the best for you. So really good and excited to know all about your great qualities of our baselines.
Yeah.
So wish you all the best in the days
Thank
to
you.
come.
Thank you.
Okay. Amit, can I ask you some questions on this?
Yes. So my
Yeah.
baselines are passion. My baselines are passion, love, integrity, strength, freedom, and happiness.
So what do you mean by passion?
Passion is whatever I do, I have a passion to complete that accomplishment.
Okay.
Whatever I do with complete passion. Be a friendship, I do it complete passion. If I take something, I do it passionate.
So do it with commitment with commitment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Second one is
No,
second one is love.
love. How do you define your love?
I have know that feeling of hatred is not there in me. I cannot.
I see. Okay.
I cannot find any ill against anybody. If somebody is saying something, I will love. Like I will feel. I always take from my heart whatever I do. So
that's
I love
good.
everybody.
Man.
I don't have enemies.
that's great.
Oh, that's good. That's good. The person without envy. Yeah. So second one. Third one.
Then third is integrity. Integrity again is integrity. I believe in integrity. I am a person who is anybody can come to me. He can share his secrets to me. They can rely on me. I have an integrity of keeping it with me. I will always help them. I got these things in me.
So integrity. So integrity is such a powerful thing even in my life. So I rated this number one, which changed my life totally. So I do the work toll collection where I had to be responsible for the entire government money. So I used to manage 4 toll plazas. where we used to collect 20 lakhs of rupees, where there were no cameras, no systems and all manual. So even at that point of time, so integrity gave me such a beautiful life that being almost 1,000-fold increase in my income. You may not believe.
Absolutely.
Really, such a powerful tool in my life. So thank you. You also have that one. Next one, fourth
Yes.
one.
Freedom and happiness.
Freedom. What do you mean by freedom to you at this stage?
Yeah, I always wanted to. I cannot work under anybody.
Okay.
I want
Okay.
to fly high. I have got aspirations, and I don't
Okay.
want anybody to be stuck in anything. So freedom
Okay.
in thinking, freedom in. So I don't want to restrict my daughter. I don't want to restrict anybody. Freedom is
Okay.
everybody has the right to live their life.
Yes.
Okay. Of course. So you live your
Whatever you
life
want.
on your terms and conditions. No boundaries for you. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
No boundaries.
That's good.
Yes.
That's good. What is the fifth one?
Then at the same time, I also restrict myself. I should not be bounded by the freedom. When you saw freedom of money also, I don't want to get into commitment of EMI, the commitment of paying loans. I don't prefer that. I don't want
It's very good
anything. I
habit.
want to be free from every aspect. So that is overall, that is freedom for me.
That's
Yeah, that's good. That keeps our relations very good. Once we involve in that, it
Right,
will take
right.
you to other
Right,
areas.
right,
So what is the last one? Last
right.
one.
Easy happy is happiness. If I do everything, I will be happy.
Ultimately,
I should
success means
always
happiness only.
at
Yeah.
the end of the day, when I am retiring to bed, I should be happy that yes, I have done. When my daughter comes from school,
Mm-hmm.
so it is not that I will ask her, what have you, like, how was your school, what you have learned today, what I did is what good you have done to your friends, what good you have done to
Oh,
your school
very good,
surrounded.
very good, very good,
That
very
is
good.
what I want to bring in. So I want wherever you go, people should be happy with you, and do as you wish to be done by others. If I want to be happy, I will have to make others happy.
That's great, Amit. That's
I,
great.
I am really glad and excited to know that both my coaches are having such a noble qualities in them. In fact, they inspire me rather.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
so good, so good. And now, after knowing personality test and wheel of life, now having discovered our inner DNA, that is our baselines, now we have to know how to express our baselines.
Okay.
So once we know how to express and how to filter our decisions through the baselines
Okay.
to get successes, that is the secret of this thing. So that will now I'll take you in the next session about the expression of baselines.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So any questions on this today's lessons?
No,
No, it was good.
perfectly
It was
fine.
good. It was perfect.
So I also enjoyed coaching you on this particularly all important topic of baselines, which is the real foundation of ourselves. So glad to know about your baselines. Now I'll take you through the next expression part in the next week.
Yeah.
Thank you. It has been a wonderful session for today.
Thank you. Thank you very much, TVR.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye,
and God bless you. Bye. God bless you.
Bye.